I'm also not a professional. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. I hope it turns out okay. And I hope it doesn't burn all my hair off. Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair today. For the first time, I'm using Lunar ties. I've never tried this brand before. I've never really heard anything bad. I also haven't been looking for any bad reviews. So, you know, I don't know. Hopefully it works. I have black. I have 3 of these. And this is going to be going on the majority of my hair today. And the front sections around this area, and the same thing on this side, these are going to be bleached, and then I'm going to apply one of these 2 colors. I have Smokey Mauve and Cerulean Sea. I have a poll going on Instagram right now, and Smokey Mauve has been winning out this whole time, but it's been close. So by the time I'm ready to put the color on my hair, the poll should be over. My hair is dyed with henna at the moment. It was pre-lightened before that, and I've had a ton of colors. I haven't had black hair since early 2017. It's been a long while. I'm just gonna start putting the Eclipse Black on my hair, and then we are going to work on the rest of this. So, lighting in here, as usual, is atrocious because I have a skylight and it looks rough. I sectioned off the parts that are not going to be dyed black, and we are going to start applying Eclipse Black. I scooped out 2 tubs of it. I don't know if this is gonna be enough to cover all of my hair, but we will see. I always start off with a brush, and then I give up and just start using my hands. So, should I skip the brush part? Probably. Putting gloves on, even though my sharp, pointy nails are probably going to poke holes in it anyway. Like I said earlier, I haven't had black hair in a very long time, but I'm looking forward to it, because I do miss my black hair. Oh, also the brown color that's on my hair right now was from henna. It was darker, but it faded really quickly. I only wash my hair twice a week, but I do wash my hair with really hot water because life is too short to not use hot water when you're washing your hair. Like, I'm not going to make myself uncomfortable and miserable and use cold water. I'm just not going to do it. I've already done that. So I lived in countries where we didn't have access to hot water when we wanted it. If you're wondering which countries those are that I lived in, it's Pakistan and Indonesia. We were also in Singapore for a while, but it was more of a let's stay here until we figure out a way to get home type of thing. Right, I have all of this covered in black hair dye. I actually have a lot left over. I think I can possibly fill half of one of these back up. I was planning on trying to remove this color and then bleaching the black, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bleach all the black, and then after it processes for like maybe 20 minutes, I'm going to put some on here. No, 15 minutes on the black hair, and then like 5 minutes on the rest of it, and then wash it all out. I'm so excited. This would be so much easier with some help, but there's nobody else here except for me. Here is what I usually use for bleach. These are my favorite ones to use. It's the Ion Bright White Cream Lighteners. It gives up to 8 levels of lift, and it works really, really fast. And I always use 20 volume developer. I don't want to go too high, but also like 10 I think would be too weak for my black hair. I'm also not a professional. And for this, you can either do a 1-to-1 ratio or 1-to-2 ratio. I start off with 1-to-1, and then I add a little bit more developer depending on how I want the texture. Alright, I have the bleach in the foils on my... Oh my gosh, I have bleach on my face. I gotta take care of that. I mixed way too much bleach. I still have a ton left. I didn't need that much. And by the time I'm ready to bleach the rest of my hair, like the bottom portions, I don't think this is gonna be active anymore. I think it's gonna stop. It is turning. You can see it kind of right there. It's not light enough yet, so I'm gonna let it keep going. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. I hope it turns out okay. And I hope it doesn't burn all my hair off. This is pretty light. Not as light as I was hoping, but like my hair was pitch black. So, you know, that is just the way it is. Not pitch black, jet black. You know what I mean. This is working. I'm going to put it on the rest of my hair and let that sit. Not the rest of my hair, but like all of this down here. Alright, it looks like it's time to rinse this out. Hopefully this works. It'll work. It's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'll be back. Oh, this is very bright. And the rest of it is still pretty dark. It did lighten a bit though. Not a ton, but maybe like 2 levels. I think I'm just gonna go over it with my hair dye now. After I dry it, let's see which color won the voting. As of 12:32, the voting is over. And the winner is Smokey Mauve by a very narrow margin, 47 to 53%. Looks like we are doing Mauve. I realized I probably should have toned my hair, but I never tone it after bleaching it because I put color on right after. I feel like it just covers up just fine, but since this is a bit of a lighter color, I probably should have toned it. My bad. We'll see how this goes. If it doesn't work out well, I'll just put another layer over it in a couple of days. Alright, I have the color on. It's looking decent. I'm really excited about it. My original idea was to do this section right here and all of this and just like leave like this little square black, but I decided against it. If I don't like having all of this, then I'll just dye this sliver black. We'll see how that goes. Finally about to go rinse my hair. Fingers crossed that this turns out good. I also bought these nails from Lunar Tides. How cute are they? Lilac sky ones, little clouds on it. And they're transparent. They're so cute. They have blue ones too. All right, here's the hair. Drum roll. No, it's just turn the black and white filter off. Here's the hair. You can see like the stain on my scalp. Wow, I forgot the word for scalp. I like it. This is definitely a cool tone pink. I'll probably take like a short little clip out in the sun so that you guys can like really see what's going on here.
Hello guys, good morning. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys my hair. I just dropped Ernie off at work and this is what my hair looks like. It's not really sunny outside, it's like very, very foggy, but it's better than the lighting inside the house. So this is what it looks like. I really like it.
And it's so different to have black hair again. I haven't had, my camera died, so while I was waiting for the battery to charge a little bit, I added a mole right here because I broke out. This is like one of those really deep ones that like has a heartbeat for a while on its own. As far as the actual hair dyes go from Lunar Tides, they're decent. I did have to go over the Smokey Mauve a few times to make it completely opaque, but the black worked beautifully. Like everything's covered. It's very black. I'm really liking this. I think it's cute. I'm so happy with it. I approve the Lunar Tides hair dye. It covers like a ton of hair, a ton of hair. I can't say anything about the cerulean sea color yet because I haven't used it, but so far I do like it, and it did make my hair feel really, really soft, and I love that. The smell is okay. It's not like terrible or anything, but it's not like, it doesn't smell like super good like Arctic Fox does, who I don't even use anymore. But yeah, I like it. It came out really nice. I'm very happy with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, getting the stains out of my shower and off of my sink and everything, no problem. Just took a little bit of bleach, didn't stain forever, and it also came off of my hands pretty quickly, so no problems there. However, it did stain my nails like crazy. The black hair dye stained my nails. Now they're painted red, but underneath, ooh, they look a little rough. So yeah, that's the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Be nice to each other and yourselves, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Look how dark my hands have gotten! That's from all the driving! I need driving gloves. I also need to focus on putting SPF on my hands and not just my face. Okay, bye.